Yo folks, and welcome to the channel. My name is Bork. In today's video, I'll be talking about my biggest regret when jumping into Solana NFTs. So let's go ahead and jump right into this, and that's going to be owning too many Solana NFTs in general. I have roughly like 20 plus that I know of that I own. Yes, I know there's 33 like rows on this, and I probably might even own more, but I'm including derivatives and airdrops and stuff in here, at least some of them. Now, the reason why I'm talking about owning too many Solana NFTs as a regret is because I like to follow up and be very thorough with each project that I own. I want to make sure that there's something actually happening. But for example, something like Belugi's, I own this one because I love the statement, the mission behind it. You know, a 14-year-old essentially creating an NFT project, and they were like hosed by like their devs. There's like a lore system like behind this, you know, it's a part of Solana history in some ways. In other things, I also own projects where it's just fun to own. Gander art versus like word generated art. And when I'm talking about all these different projects, I don't expect you to go buy them. No, do not just be like, oh, Bork's buying it, therefore I should own it, therefore it's good. Please do not think that way. I'm telling you how it's not good to own too many projects in my opinion, because then you want to keep track of them ideally, and you're just like, oh, I randomly found, I don't know, a gem signs in your wallet and you didn't even know you had it because it got airdropped to you. But it's just something that I want folks to sort of thinking about. Another thing that's really cool is I'm on NFT Eyes, right? This is how I'm viewing my wallet, and this is live by Neo Nexus. Now, the coolest thing that NFT Eyes has added is this gallery viewer within like the web app where you can actually like go around in your gallery and just view things. And I just want to go over the projects and just tell you whether I actually know what's going on. So for test guys, this one's like sort of like a video one. They have like VR going on. I am not entirely sure how the development is going, but they do have a game, so that was pretty cool. Solana Shades, this one was an ape. It was just a fun 0.1 mint, and I have no idea why I own that one. Turtles, Meme Gang, I love them. Solans, this was one of like the OG projects, one person, I love it. Just because I say I love it does not mean I endorse it, I just enjoy it. This one, another Solans V2, Solana Valley, you know, the pups and stuff. I think they look really cute, and I'm looking for like a Farmville sort of game. I don't know if it's gonna come out. They're kind of silent in my opinion. I put that in my sentiment for the Google spreadsheets. SMB OGs, they're kind of cool. I mean, it's whatever at the end of the day. I just have it and I'm holding a bag for that one. Is there regrets buying it? In some ways, yeah, I spent like, I don't know, like 16 Sol, and now they're like 5 Sol. The Solana Pass or the Sol Pass with like 0G Labs, that one's pretty cool. I like it. Stylish Studs, I really love the game that they're going to be making. Check out the roadmap on Twitter. I think it's the best one. Probably going to be like the game that's actually going to release. And then we have Soul Souls right here. I don't know what's going on with this project. I hope it's going well. I just got Soul Souls because, you know, I like the art. That's mostly it. Sigma Sharks, they look pretty cool. I mean, I like these sharks out of all the sharks that I've seen just because they look clean and stuff. Gem Signs art, I am not sure what's going on with this one. I mean, they look kind of cool, but at the same time, I don't know why I own them. There's no FUD against Gem Signs. I just don't have enough research to actually properly talk about them. Tower Dow, this is my bathroom in Tower Dow. I don't know why my bike's in here. I like it. I think it looks pretty cozy. I like Tower Dow. Amoebits Mini, oh my gosh, you guys have to check this out. This has to be one of the coolest things that I have seen. So look at this Amoeboy right here. You can actually get access to this if you have the Amoebit Mini. And what's really nice, you can go here into start and you can actually play games. So here's like a little game that you can play. You can play Rochambeau. What's really nice, you could be like rock, paper, scissors, and what does he select? Oh, we got to draw. So he selected paper, and then let's go ahead and pick scissors this time. Maybe we can outsmart him. Pick paper again, and he lost, and we got a little trophy right there. I just think that's really cool. There's a lot of different things that you can do, and there's like a little fortune teller thing. When NFTs sort of take like this usability in some ways of, oh my goodness, this is next level stuff, this, that, and the third. I just love it. And what is it? Soul? Let's see. Is Soul gonna go up? Please say yes. So we're gonna go ahead and hit A. Outlook looks good. Yo, we believe that. Thank you so much, Amoebits Mini. So there we go right there. That's a fun project. And then Grim Syndicate, I love the Grims. Justin Mizell and the team, they have the most wholesome stuff going on in Twitter. Whoever is running the Twitter, if it's the team, you're amazing. You're a god, because I just go there and I'm immediately happy. This one is a dupe. I don't actually own this one. In fact, like technically someone else owns it. I just like the way this looks. So yeah, I mean, it's here. Crypto Cubs, you guys already know. This is going to come out with Green Paw. This is going to have have utility. Why wouldn't you own this? By the way, this NFT galleries thing, it's just so cool. I just want to say it's so cool. Nobu Senseis. You guys know Nobu? Namaste, guys. Like, gonna be one of the best projects that comes out just because of his energy and his personality. I have the little eggplants to make my crypto cubs evolve. Super exciting. Belugies, we talked about it. 14-year-old changing the world. Like, that's huge. Thugbirds, of course. I mean, it's freaking Thugbirds. I own an SMB. Of course I'm gonna have a Thugbird. Thugs for life, right? And then we have Soul Steads right here. I love the Steads, man. They're the ones who started out galleries. They're the OGs. OGs matter all the time. Here's my other Sigma Shark. He's looking pretty fresh right here. And then we have my Jelly Beast. They look absolutely phenomenal. I can't wait for these guys to go in VR. What if I have like a Jelly Beast like right behind me, just following me, going through the gallery? I would love that. Make that a thing. Oh my goodness. And then we have the Soul Trees right here. They do have the metaverse going on. And honestly, I like the art and I like the mission where they're planting trees. And then we have Skeleton Crew. I just kept the Skeleton Crew because, you know, I dig the art. I sold my initial ones, but I'm happy with the one I kept. And then of course, Neo Nexus right here. We talked about it, right? Neo Nexus is the one holding this gallery thing right here. Like, they're hosting NFTIs. If you don't think Neo Nexus has some part of creating this thing, you're wrong, in my opinion. I'm not trying to endorse Unlock DeFi and Neo Nexus, but this is freaking cool. And I don't think the guys at NFTIs made this on their own. Maybe they did it in collaboration, but this is so legit. And of course, I have my Skylines as my Twitter banner. That's just a classic. That is like the one. It's the de facto. It's the original. It's their claim to fame. You know what I mean? But yeah, these are the NFTs that I own on this wallet alone, because I have more NFTs that I own. Like I said, it's just one of these things where I wanted to round out like all the different things that I have, because you sometimes forget when you buy so many things what you actually own. And I just don't want you to be in a situation where you're bag holding some project or you don't know why you own an SMB OG. By the way, I love my OG, all right? I just bought it at a really high price. I wish I bought it at 5 Sol, but this is something to be aware of. And yes, I have like my L's too. Like, I'm not perfect. I want you guys to know that. Not every single thing that I own is a W. Not every single thing is a Thugbird, you know what I mean? But at the end of the day, if you guys enjoy the art, that is what it's all about. Where's my waifu DAO? Wait, where is she? Should she? I want to make sure I talk about waifu DAO. That's going to be the gaming guild that I wanted to be in. Where is waifu DAO? It might have not loaded in properly. By the way, I love that project. I think it's supposed to be like right here. So maybe that's something that's not supposed to happen. Waifu DAO is like one of my favorites because that's going to be involved with Illuvium. Illuvium's like one of the games that I plan to play in the future when it does come out. You know, outside of like Solana NFTs, it's just something that I want you guys to know about. But yeah, this is like the stuff that I'm holding. Now that you guys sort of know, you don't want to have like 100 NFTs and then 90% of your NFTs are not valuable. I'm not saying value is everything, but I'm saying you should know what you're holding because it costs money. Like, this is pure art at the end of the day. I want you guys to like have food on the table, most importantly. Soul analysis right here. I don't know when I'm going to be showcasing this video, but hopefully once it's showcased, we are in a better place. Now, the market is still pretty good in my opinion. Yeah, we're a little bit down, but things are still like looking good overall because SMBs, their floor price is pretty decent in my opinion. Degenerate apes, they're still building. I think they're like undervalued as hell. Thugbirds, they're rising. You know, look at that. They were like 50 or 40s earlier. Now they're like 57. So that's really good. Auroras, they're going to be like the game of Solana. That's just going to go up. Galactic Geckos, I think they have like a long-term community. I feel like they're going to do well. And then all the different projects. I don't want to go over every single one, but yeah, these are like all the different things that are happening in like the Solana ecosystem right now. Bet you that there's some way that Neo Nexus is going to take advantage of this world. There just has to be a way. And honestly, this looks like a Minecraft server. I don't know how this is happening. Are they hosting like a back-end like Minecraft thing going on in order to view the gallery? I think it's cool. This has to be like one of like the best things. We cannot forget about the Amiiboy. All right, we have to get hype about this. I have no idea why no one is talking about this. None of the things that I'm saying is me promoting the project. I just like getting hype about the things that I own. But in summary, when it comes to holding all these different projects, at least know why you're holding them, what's your long-term vision, whether you're buying it for art and you just think the story is cool around it. Like Belugies, I don't expect to like 10x with this thing. I like holding it because I like the story. I like the person behind it and I want to support them. That's like one of the coolest things is a 14-year-old just making their dreams come true. And I'm more than happy to support that. Or I can be a degenerate Turtles NFT holder and just meme my way across through history on Twitter. because that's what turtles do, and I love being a turtle, and it's just funny like seeing what they do half the time. These are all the things that I'm pretty much looking at. Don't follow me just because I own it. Anyways, if you made it this far in today's video, consider subscribing, dropping a like, leaving a comment, follow me on Twitch, follow me on Twitter. Thanks so much for watching today's video. Have yourself a fantastic day, and see you guys in the next one.